Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music to your video on PowerDirector. On PC, PowerDirector uses as a timeline-based editing system. This means a video clips it on the main track and music is added to separate audio tracks below. And you can layer, trim and adjust sounds precisely, making it easy to sync music with visuals. So first what you need to do is you need to open to your PowerDirector app and make sure you have already added the video under your timeline as well. In order to add the music to the timeline, what you can do is in the top, you can find this option for the audio. Click onto this audio here. You can simply select your AI generated audio, background music, generator, sound effects as well, or you can also import any of the music if you have under your library. As I'm going to select this AI generated music here, background music here, and you can select from the browser of the PowerDirector here as well, and simply click onto this download icon and double click on it and put it under this timeline as well. And you can also edit the audio clip here. You can simply place this red icon here and you can cut over here. You click onto this trim. And that is it. You can also adjust the volumes and effects. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.